Meaning of drinkable.
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 Drinkable. The term drinkable describes a liquid that is safe for human consumption. A drinkable substance is free from harmful contaminants and meets the quality standards required for healthy consumption. The result of drinking a drinkable liquid is usually the quenching of thirst, hydration of the body, and often enjoyment of the taste. However, it is important to note that not all drinkable liquids are equally beneficial for the body. Some contain more sugar or calories than others, while some may contain artificial additives that can have negative effects on health over time.